Hey everyone, welcome back to Rush to Success. We're glad you're watching this video. It's a good sign you're enjoying your success journey. Today we're diving deep into the world of SMART goals, the ultimate roadmap to achieving your dreams. The topic is close to our hearts, achieving success. We've all felt that burning desire to reach a goal, to be the best version of ourselves. But sometimes that fire flickers, leaving us lost and unsure. Let's be honest, who hasn't had those ambitions fade faster than a free donut at the office? Setting vague goals for yourself is like trying to hit a target blindfolded. You might hit something, but it's probably not what you were aiming for. The truth is, simply wishing for success isn't enough. As Jordan Belfort once said, the only thing standing between you and your goal is the false story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. We need a roadmap, a clear path to follow. That's where SMART goals come in. SMART goals might sound fancy, but they're actually a simple and powerful tool anyone can use. Think of them as your personal GPS for achievement. With SMART goals, you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed again. Research shows that people who set goals are 10 times more likely to achieve them than those who don't. That's a powerful motivator, wouldn't you say? That's a huge difference. Why are goals so important? Goals give our lives direction and focus. They channel our energy and motivation towards something specific. It's like the old saying goes, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Without clear goals, we're just wandering around, hoping for the best. But SMART goals take things a step further. They make those wishes actionable. Let's break down the SMART acronym and see how it can transform your dreams into reality. S. Specific. The first step is getting specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? Instead of saying get healthy, a SMART goal might be walk 30 minutes for exercise 3 times a week. The more specific your goal, the easier it is to track progress and stay motivated. M. Measurable. Numbers are your friend here. Maybe your goal is to learn a new language. A measurable version could be complete 2 Spanish lessons on Duolingo every day for 3 months. Being able to measure your progress keeps you accountable and shows you how far you've come. A. Achievable. Now, this is where the magic happens. Your goals should be ambitious, but also realistic. Feeling overwhelmed by a big goal is like staring at Mount Everest. It can be paralyzing. But hey, even Everest gets climbed 1 step at a time. Set a goal that challenges you, but also feels attainable. R. Relevant. Here's the hard check. Does your goal align with your bigger values and long-term vision? Is it something that truly matters to you? For example, if your dream is to travel the world, spending all your money on expensive clothes wouldn't be a very relevant goal, would it? Make sure your goals are supporting the life you want to create. T. Time-bound. Deadlines are your friends. Without a time frame, goals can float around forever. A SMART goal has a clear target date. Maybe you want to write a novel. A time-bound version could be finish the first draft of my novel by December 31st. Having a deadline creates a sense of urgency and keeps you moving forward. Remember, SMART goals are a journey, not a destination. As you progress, you might need to adjust your goals along the way. That's okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward, keep learning, and keep growing. And remember, even the longest journey begins with a single SMART goal. And maybe a good pair of walking shoes. Thanks for joining us on Rush to Success today. We'd love to hear from you. What are your experiences with setting goals? Do you have any SMART goal success stories to share? Leave a comment below and let's get this conversation going. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips and tricks for achieving success, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way. Until next time, keep striving, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for your goals.